All right, well, I got her all warmed up. Let's see if we can put her to do some work. She's a little smoky. She's got a little chimney going on there. That make no mind to me. As long as she works, that's all that matters. Well, that pin went in pretty easy. This one, not so much. That's all that twisted stuff. Yeah, that's not gonna go in. All right, just one pin, I guess. What I want to do is empty out that trailer. I got to go down to my property and cut grass and stuff, and I need the trailer, so I got to get all that wood out of there. Seems like the left side drive goes a little faster than the right side. Here, I do this without tearing the grass up too bad. That looks pretty good. Yeah, I gotta get all this wood out of here. Oh boy, where am I gonna put it? That is the next question. I guess I can put it over there by that. Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll put it over there. All right, let's see how much I can break my back on these things. Yep, that's heavy. This is all oak. All needs to be split. Those bigger ones, I'm gonna have to use a chain to get them out. There's no way I can carry them like this. Some of those are pretty big. I don't think I can pick them up by hand. I ain't that strong. Take that back, they're not all oak. Some of it's elm from my daughter's house. Well, the hydraulics don't seem like they're bleeding off. That's good. Seems like they're staying right there. She fires right up. She runs so good. Hey, what are you guys doing down there? That ain't where you're supposed to be. Sorry about that. I didn't know you were gonna fall off. These damn scam likelies. Quit bothering me. Oh, man. I hate them. All this, been in here for almost a year. Probably pretty close to ready to be split. Dried out enough. it wedged in there, are we? Yeah, these bigger ones are going to be fun. You know, it is what it is, right? You do what you can, however you can. If I didn't need the trailer, I would leave all this stuff here for now. Like I have for the last year. But I need the trailer. So I have to get this all out of here. Tell you what, I can put a lot of wood in this bucket. This is a pretty big bucket. After I dump them all off over there, I'll stack them again over there. And then once it warms up some more, I'll split them all up. Whew. Yeah, that's a good enough load. I'm gonna crawl in this thing. Oops, I hit the starter. A lot of these don't need to be split. They're already fireplace size. But still would be good to split them so they dry a little faster, you know. Now, I didn't cut this stuff up. If I would have cut this stuff up, it would have all been relatively the same size and straight cuts. I don't know who cut it up, but they suck. But hey, for free, you can't hardly complain. Yeah, these bigger ones are going to be fun. I might have to get me a chain or something. Yeah, these big ones are going to suck. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but we'll figure it out. I can tell you this, the controls are absolutely perfect. I can do exactly what I want. It does exactly what I want it to do. None of this herky-jerky, quirky stuff, you know, where it's just bouncing all over the place. Yeah, all this work that I did to these, man, they're really paying off now, that's for sure. My yard's not paying off, but and we'll have to get a tamper out and smash all that down. It is what it is. You got to do what you got to do. I can't wait for the ground to dry up. I got to do what I got to do, you know? So that's how that works. Whew. I don't think I can pick these up. I guess I could try. Think I can pick that up? It's a pretty heavy boy. Pretty big boy. Remember, when you're lifting heavy stuff like that, use your back entirely, not your legs. Kidding, of course. You definitely want to use your legs, or you'll blow out your back so fast. Make your head spin. That's 2 foot in diameter at least. Just slide it over and keep sliding it until you get it there. Yeah, that's a beast. Yeah, baby. That's a big lift. That was a lot easier than crawling under. I like how smooth the controls are now compared to the way they were. Night and day difference. see if we can get this all done without any chains. Wouldn't that be something? Oh, this puppy's really heavy. This is all knotwood here. Got her in there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. Probably going to be 2 at a time, but I don't want to go there across the yard that much. What can I do? See if I can get one more in there, I guess. I should stay there, I think. Hey. I can get another one up there, maybe. That one's going to be a treat. I don't know why I keep blowing my back out. Any ideas? I can't figure that one out. Oh, jeez. That's a heavy one. I don't know about this one. You need to take it easy. You're going to have a heart attack. Yeah. Who's going to do this otherwise? Huh? What we got left? 4? These are pretty big. It's the 4 biggest ones out of the bunch. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, yeah. Hear that? Sounds solid, don't it? This is a beastly one here. Oh, yeah. Step by step. Just keep going. Don't stop now. I'm sweating pretty good. Got me a good sweat going on. Yay. Should put that over there so I can put that one there. Yeah. That's a good plan. What's wrong with me? Glutton for punishment, I guess. I don't know how I'm going to get that up there. The last one. That's definitely going to have to be chains or something. Unless I can dump it off the side. I don't think I can pick it up to do that. Okay. Let's go dump these off. The dogs are just sitting there watching me through the door. She's got good oil pressure, 80 psi. I broke the board, didn't I? Why didn't you guys tell me? Not like I could see it. Brute grunt, how are we doing this? I don't know. I think this was the bottom of the tree. I don't think I can pick that up. No way. That's easy, 400 pounds there. Yeah. I don't think I can pick it up. Okay. Maybe use the ramp. That might work. You just get it to the edge of the bucket, I can get it in. Oh, that hurt. I got my shin. They'll never heal. But I got it in there. And you weren't gonna beat me. How bad is it? Oh, it's just a little scratch. Not that big. All right. Last one. Yay-hoo. That means the trailer is empty. Well, I think she's all packed up again. Little ball valve. She says about all she wants to do is idle. Have to take it apart again. Okay. That's it. That's full throttle. Well, back to the garage. That's why I wanted to do this. Test it out, make sure everything is working. And obviously, it's not. So, back to the garage it goes. It'll run long enough to get there. I don't even know if it'll run long enough to get there. I don't know if it's gonna make it. Come on, baby. Yeah, I'm sure she's all plugged off. Yeah, she barely runs above an idle. Again. Totally trashed my yard. But I had to do it. I had to do it. I had no choice. Oh. Look what I did here. Whoops. Well, I quickly removed that fitting again. That one down in there. And yeah, she was plugged up again. So, I don't know. This might be a common occurrence here. So I'm going to have to keep wrenches with me, 1/2 inch and 9/16, so I can constantly clean that thing out. But we got the car pulled back, and she's back in the garage. She did what she needed to do, other than that thing plugging up. I don't know. Maybe I can just remove that ball, the check ball, altogether and just run it without it. I don't know. We're gonna see. So anyways, that's it for today. Yeah, I worked myself pretty good today. A lot of heavy lifting. So, like always, if you enjoyed it and you like the content, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to. It's free, won't cost you a thing. And we'll see you on the next one.